To find the equation of the line when you're given a point and a slope, you can write this linear equation starting with the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals to the slope times x minus x1. So where x1 and y1 is going to be your point, and then our slope in this problem is 2. So now we can just plug in what we know. So we have y minus y1, which is negative 1, equals to the slope is 2 times x minus x1, which is negative 3. And now I can simplify this equation. So what we have here is y minus negative 1 is same thing as y plus 1 equals to 2 times x minus negative 3 is same thing as x plus 3. So this is the linear equation in the point slope form. Now, if you want your answer in the slope-intercept form, which is y equals to mx plus b, then you can use your point slope form and convert it to slope-intercept form by distributing the 2. So therefore, what we have here is going to be y plus 1 equals to 2x plus 6. And then to remove the positive 1, you will subtract 1 to the other side. So my slope-intercept form is y equals to 2x plus 5. And if you want your answer in the standard form, which is ax plus by equals to c, then all you have to do is move that 2x to where the y is. So when I move 2x to the other side, it will become negative 2x plus y equals 5. And that's the answer in the standard form.